Despite the fact that you could not be guaranteed to be aware by taking a gander at it, the Lexus ES is perhaps of the most seasoned vehicle in its group. The ongoing age has been underway starting around 2018, and a complete overhaul is supposedly on tap for the 2025 model year. Reports are as yet primer, yet this is the thing we know about the upgraded 2025 Lexus ES. As indicated by Tech Transport, the fair-size extravagance vehicle is set to get a full overhaul for the 2025 model year. Lexus hasn't uncovered the cutting-edge ES's styling yet we anticipate that the brand's unmistakable axle grille should in any case be highlighted conspicuously. The ongoing ES sunrises a backlight bar and is moderate in its styling, so we could see Lexus shake things up with a bolder plan for 2025. Just like with the outside, we haven't had the option to source pictures of the 2025 ES's inside yet. We anticipate that the upgrade should bring added tech and more extravagance contacts. However, the ongoing model isn't short on by the same token. The 2024 ES's Lodge is roomy and very much named, and includes an asymmetrical dashboard covered in delicate touch materials. An 8 touchscreen is standard hardware, while a 12.3 screen is discretionary. Remote cell phone network, Bluetooth, route, a Wi-Fi area of interest, Amazon Alexa, and satellite radio are standard too. And that wouldn't shock us at all on the off chance that the cutting-edge model attendance in considerably more standard tech. The 2024 ES is presented with a decision of 3 powertrains, and we haven't seen any sign that the 2025 model will get another motor choice up to this point. The base motor is a 2.5L 4-chamber creating 203 HP. Those searching for more execution can move up to a 302 HP 3.5L V6, and a 215 HP half-and-half 4-chamber is likewise accessible. We might see a module crossbreed variation join the setup too, yet that is simply speculatory. We likewise expect